So this has been my practice setup for a few months now. I only have one expression pedal though, not that it's that expensive, but since the wiring is as complicated as a kill switch, I thought I made one from the parts of these. This technically works already if you fiddle around with the jack, but it's just not practical. Although, combining it with this should make it work like it should. Why is it not? Oh. Well, the light still came on, so it's all good. Let's take this apart, see if there's anything inside, and it all looks fine. This one, yeah, same. There's a weird button with the, like, switch that I don't really get. What's that necessary? But yeah, the switch. Gonna unscrew everything. Gonna have to cut the wires. It's just not gonna fit through. I'm gonna take this apart as well again. Just gonna unsolder this. Yeah. Okay, good. I'm gonna cut the wire off. Too thick. Yep. Just gonna put these on. Okay, now time for a test, and I'm gonna do some troubleshooting, see if I can figure this out. Well, I've been here for an hour now, and I've got nothing. So yeah, fuck this. Don't even fucking need this. I can just. I'm an adult. I can buy things. There. And so yeah, this is how you can make your own expression pedal. Follow for more.